I'm Mike Jack. Mike Jack Eats Heat, World Chili Pepper Eating Champion, Guinness World Record holder. And I'm going to do the Sons of Fire Nugget Challenge. And it is for Parkinsons research. So I'm going to have a donation link down in the comment section below there. So check it out. Please donate. A bunch of us are doing this challenge, trying to raise money. Maybe we can help find a cure for Parkinson's. So to do the challenge, I get 20 nuggets. So I have 20 nuggets right here in this Tupperware. There they are. They're Beyond Nuggets. Cool, eh? So it was, I guess the first person to do this challenge was Aaron Jules. He did the challenge. So thanks for doing that, Aaron. Yeah. A bunch of people have done it since then. What are some of your favorite ones?
I haven't watched, to be honest, I haven't watched very many right now. I guess I liked Eric's because he's wearing a Mike Jack shirt.
Yeah, Eric Begg. He's a pretty funny guy. That's a good one.
Eric also used a different sauce in every nugget.
Yeah, that's hardcore.
That's like a Jamie style.
Stream style, yes. All right. Yeah, so it's a time challenge. Whoa, like a speed challenge. I guess the fastest time is around 2 minutes. Like 1:58, I think is what it is.
I did also watch. Oh, I watched this. I did also watch the OG video, Aaron's.
Yeah.
And when Olivia was sassing him because the smells were like going in the whole restaurant.
just burned everyone's eyes and all of in the whole McDonald's. All right, so I guess let's do this up. It's a speed thing. Aaron said you're allowed to drink water. I have a water here, also to prevent choking. I know some people are doing it without water. That's cool. Aiko, he did his with water, I know. So, yeah. I'm gonna do water. Water doesn't help anyway. It makes it worse, right? That's what everybody says. All right, so I'm gonna be using Cherry Noble hot sauce from Soy Sauce. It's a hot one, extreme sauce. It's not a full bottle, but there's a lot in here. Let's pour on some nuggets. Let's use the whole thing up. That's probably good, right?
Yeah.
There you go. Oh, the kitty's here. Rory. All right, let's shake them up in here.
Are you okay to eat?
This plate. Ooh, it smells spicy. Whoa, you want to smell? Spicy nuggets.
All the sauce stuck to them, eh?
Yeah, it's making them stick to the bottom of the Tupperware here. All right, there we go. All right, let's get ready here. Okay, ready?
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Um,
Here, I'm gonna like
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
Don't forget to donate. In the comments. In the description, I mean. All right.
I don't know how to make my phone work. I was gonna make it go like this, but I don't know.
I don't think you can.
I don't think so. Okay. Ready?
Yeah, you can see the time too, right?
Yeah. I can go like this.
All right, check. Okay,
Well, do you want me?
Yeah, you want to say on your mark and say go?
Yeah. On your mark, get set, go. Do 31.
Do 31? That was all right.
My face is like right beside you, and I can hear the noises you were making.
Oh. Whew. I don't know if the water like helped or not.
No, I feel like it was just time consuming.
I think so, yeah. I don't know.
I also think that
Seemed like a good idea.
yeah, were they really dry?
They weren't really as dry as I
Okay.
thought they'd be. Whew. The heat is starting to hit me after. It wasn't really. Oh, excuse me. It wasn't really too hot when I was eating them, but then it just you just feel it all at once. In the end, kind of thing. Whew. Yeah, I don't know. The water seemed like a good idea. That's what those speed eater guys do, right?
Yeah.
Whatever. Major League Eating. Yeah. But anyway, those were tasty nuggets. And yeah, didn't beat the time, but that's okay. I'm getting close. All right, so now Jamie's going to try the nugget challenge. And she's got her gloves on. It's a pro move. What sauce you got there, Jamie?
I got Steel City's Mecco Viper.
Sweet.
Ooh. Okay, ready?
Yep. Pour it on. Ooh, whoa. Whoa.
I think I should should I just put all of it on?
Just yeah. That's what the people want. Got to give the people what they want.
More to hear than.
Whoa.
Well, it's almost full. I just opened it on the weekend.
I gotta shake it up. Shake it up.
Yeah. Oh, pardon me. I just forgot something too.
Oh yeah. Jamie, what is that? What's that? Is that a medal? What's that medal for?
Oh, it's nothing really. It's just my heat wave medal of when I won fastest time to eat a basket of vegan wings.
What? Good job. I'm so proud of her that day. I'm so proud of her every day, I should say.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. You're putting them on the plate?
Oh, yeah. I just had sauce all over my hand. They smell tangy.
Yeah, they smell really good. Yeah, it smells delicious. All right, let's get this stuff out of your way. We don't want that blocking you there. Okay.
Can I just put one to my lips? There's steam coming off them.
Yeah, just to see how hot it is?
Yeah. Oh, it's okay. I just don't want to burn my mouth.
Maybe just move your... Is it okay to move your water so people can see your nose? Okay, ready? I got the timer here. You ready for me to give you a countdown?
Yeah, sure.
All right. On your mark, get set, go. Go, Jimmy, go. Oh. A little spicy. Oh. Just like at the competition, right? Just go, go, go. It was a little tougher at the competition. There was a lot of vegan wings in that basket.
There's at least 30.
It was what, at least 30? At least 30.
So.
I don't know did anybody else finish them besides you? I remember the guy beside you was just like, oh, just please finish so we can be done. Jamie's got this. She's got it. Remember, this is for a good cause, right? Oh, I think that was my time. You got this. It's not all about the time. It's about the charity, right? It's about helping out, having fun, eating some nuggets, spicy nuggets.
So full.
Does it hurt your jaw?
No, I'm just full.
Oh, you're still doing good. Faster than a lot of the challenges, right?
I'm not even trying to go that fast. You're on it.
So you got it. You got this. The gloves are off. There we go. I got 5:23.
I'm so full.
I pushed it a little bit late, but yeah. So full?
Yeah. And like, this sauce is good, which is why I picked it.
Yeah.
I probably could have picked a spicier sauce, but it's good. But the texture of like the nuggets, like, did it leave like a weird feeling on your tongue?
I didn't really notice.
Oh, I kind of did that once. That's why I made a weird face.
I wasn't really paying attention. I was just trying to. All right, so thanks for watching us do the Sons of Fire Nugget Challenge. Don't forget to donate in the description below for Parkinson's research. Maybe we can find a cure. Let's do that. Help us out. Help us reach our goal. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.